90% of AutoCAD users are drafting too slow because they're still clicking icons. If that's you, you're losing hours of your life. I'm going to show you how to master the 10 shortcuts that professionals use to finish projects in half the time. And pay attention to number 9 because it's the only way to fix a broken drawing instantly. Let's go. Stop drawing every floor plan from scratch. Draw a line like this, offset it, and you have your floor plan in 1 second. But how do you clean up those messy corners? Here's the trick. TR for trim and is EX for extend. This is how you shave your drawings down to be pixel perfect. Now that the lines are clean, you need to move them without losing your mind. Join, merge those lines into one object. CO for copy. Forgot Ctrl plus C, CO lets you snap to a corner for perfect placement. But what if you have to draw the exact same thing on the other side? Stop, don't redraw it. Use the mirror cheat code. Press MI for mirror. Draw half the room, flip it, and you're done. Number 8, press RO for rotate. It's the fastest way to align furniture or walls. Now here's the secret tool that makes you look like a pro, even if your layers are a mess. Number 9, the magic tool. Press MA for match properties. This is the magic wand. If the one line is wrong, just click a correct one, then click the wrong one. Boom. Fixed. But wait, what if your entire project disappears from the screen? Number 10, press Z, then E for zoom extents. It's the panic button that finds your lost work and pulls it front and center. You've got the speed, now you need the cheat sheet. That's 10 secrets in 2 minutes. I put a copy-paste cheat sheet in the description so you can use these right now. If you want to master the rest of AutoCAD, hit subscribe and watch my beginner's masterclass right here. Speed is everything. See you in the next video.